Okay, so in last class, we completed one scenario, one task, and in which we used, you can say, card, and how can we write the header, and how can we give the footer. Okay, so in footer, you can write any static value, and if you want to write dynamic value, you can also write the dynamic value. Okay, dynamic value which is available in you can say attribute, so that value you can also write attribute value. Icon name, okay, you can write the icon name, so any type of icon name you can write. Okay, so I have already told you in aura component and lwc. In aura component and lwc we use salesforce component library to get the tag. Okay, if you want the example with tag, okay, you can use salesforce component library, and you can use sales lightning design system, slds salesforce lightning design system. Okay, next we have salesforce lightning design system. If you want to give the design, okay, to give the design, if you want to give the design in ui, okay, that time you can use lightning design system, like you can add the icon icon. Okay, so go to the google, write component library, you will get tag you can use. Go to the google, write lightning design system, you will get the you will get some code from which you can give the design. Okay, so I want to add the icon, so I have written icon name. Then which type of icon you want to add? Go to the google, write lightning design system. Okay, it's the library, it's the library where you will get the code of the design, and here you can search whatever you want to search. So I want to add the icon, write utility icon. Go to the utility icon. So here you can see I'm getting the icon. So when you will do scroll down, you will get utility icon. Utility icon means if you want to add the icon of the utility, so you have to go to the code. Here you have to write utility colon whatever the icon you want to add, that name. Okay. If you want to display this one, answer twice, Apex plugin, apps. Okay. Which icon you want to add? Write utility colon icon name, broadcast. Next, we have talk type of icon, talk type. Okay, if you want to display this type of icon, write talk type, then colon audio. Okay, talk type, colon audio. Checking the output. Welcome to JS file. What I'm getting? Audio icon. Okay, these are the talk type. Next, we have standard. Okay, these are the standard icon. Means standard colon object name, account, contact, custom object name you can also write. These are the tabs. Standard colon whatever the icon you want to enter. Okay, these are the standard icon. When you will do scroll down, you will also get custom icon. Okay, you can display custom icon. Custom 15, it's like a contact. Okay, phone log icon custom 21. Lap computer custom 21. Music 81. Okay, card custom 93. So these are the custom icon. Next we have action icon. Write action colon, add contact, add file, add photo, video. So these thing you can also write. Action colon email. Okay, action colon email. Now we will get the mail icon. Yeah, I'm getting the email icon. Okay, so is it clear for everyone? Do you have any doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir,
Okay,
in SLDS, we have utility icon also. So can we add some colors in utility icon?
colors and utility icon means you want to add the utility items as well as you want to add the colors in that.
No, 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 sir. In utility icons, can we add colors?
I'm
Because
not sure, ma'am.
utility नहीं सर आई LWC में तो कर सकते हैं, कलर दे सकते हैं LWC।
CSS से दे रहे थे फिर कलर?
नहीं सर, उसी के पास में CSS से नहीं, इसी में मतलब क्लास क्रिएट करके कुछ
अच्छा
ऐसा
अच्छा,
था।
क्लास से, हाँ वो ही CSS यूज कर लिया हमने। ठीक है, फिर इसमें भी पॉसिबल है ये।
ठीक है।
ठीक है, ये एक तरह के जो वे होते हैं, फोटो नहीं याद हो जाते जिनको हम रिमूव करके लगाते हैं, पीछे का बैकग्राउंड रिमूव हो जाता है जिसमें।
इसका बैकग्राउंड।
इमेज जो बना देते हैं हम पिक्स आर्ट से किसी से भी, तो पीछे का बैकग्राउंड चला जाता है।
हाँ हाँ।
कौन से फाइल बोलती हैं वो? Okay, I'm going to take a next scenario. Okay, so I'm going to create one component. So click on file, new, lightning component, third, Grovia component. Okay, click on submit button. So now I want to display the product information. Okay, I want to display the product information and I also want to give the color. Okay, so this time I'll use controller and style sheet both. Controller I'll use and style sheet also. So click on create button. In component, what I'm doing, I'm going to create one card and here we have to display product name, product price, yeah, these things we have to do, and we will send the data from JS file. So I'm going to create attribute or attribute name, attribute name, product name. This type of value we will store, string type of value. Second, which we have price. So here we can store decimal type of value. So now I'll send the value from JS file. So what I have to write it? What I have to write here? I want to send the data from JS file. So how can we connect with JS file?
handler or a
Okay, or a handler. So I'm going to create one handler or a handler. For how many attribute we write in Aura handler? What is the mandatory attribute? So there are three mandatory attribute: name, value, action. Okay, what should we name? Always name should be init, value should be this, and action, which function you want to call. Okay, so same name I am entering. There is already one function, same name, same function I'm calling it. C dot function name. Okay, now I'm sending the data from JS file. So which method we will use? How can we send the data from JS to component? So we will use component dot
set.
set method, v dot attribute name, colon, name, product name. Okay, so I'm sending the data. V dot attribute name, price, decimal type of and information we have to enter. Okay, then I'm going to display the information. So v dot price. Okay, I'm entering title name, product info, then okay, then if you want to write footer, you can write footer. I am going to enter icon name. So I'm going to add the icon of motorcycle 80. Okay, any object type style, whatever you want to add, you can add it. Then save it. Now I'm going to preview it. So what I'm doing, I'm going to add this component here. Third Grovia component, click on update preview. Okay, so product name iPhone, product price, icon I'm getting, information I'm getting. Okay, so code is correct till now. Now what I have to do, I have to give the style. Okay, I have to give the style to this component. So what I'm doing, outside the card, I'm going to create one div, and inside the div, I am writing same information. Inside the div, I am writing same information. I'm going to create class name, style 2. ठीक है, and one div I am going to create here. So basically div is the code of the HTML. Okay, so here I'm going to create class we use to give the style. Let's suppose you want to call this CSS. So with the help of CSS, with the help of class, you can call the CSS in HTML. So I have created two classes, style 1 and style 2. Okay, now I'm going to give the color. So go to the CSS, and here by default you will get dot this. So what you have to do, you have to write the class name. Okay, you have to write dot class name dot this. Then give the color. So color you can give a black, and background color I'm giving yellow. Okay, I'm changing the font size. So font size we write in pixel. So I'm entering 50 pixel. Okay, weight I am also going to change. Bold. Okay. Now what I'm doing, same code. I'm going to create another style. ठीक है, ये तो पहली div के लिए हुआ code. We have style 2 also. Okay. So for style 2, same code I'm writing. ठीक है, now we will check it is working or not. Go to the Aura component, refresh the page. Product name, iPhone, product price. It's working. It's working for second div, but for first div it is not working. Okay. For first div
Not
it's not working, but for second div it's not working. So would you like to say something here? ठीक है, क्या मैं div को बाहर लिखूं लाइटनिंग कार्ड के? ठीक है, लाइटनिंग कार्ड के बाहर भी लिखा मैंने, सम स्टाइल इज वर्किंग बट नॉट कंप्लीटेबल। ठीक है, तो देखो लाइटनिंग कार्ड, व्हाट इज इट? लाइटनिंग कार्ड, इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट ए कार्ड एंड you want to create white type of card, okay, that time you can use lightning card. So lightning card is come with some style. Lightning card is come with some CSS, in which you will get good, you can add the icon, you will get header, footer, you will get color inside the block. Okay, so already styles are available in lightning card. So that's why some code of the, you can say, CSS is not work inside the lightning card. ठीक है, we can't add color in lightning card because it comes with white color. If we are changing the color of the card, that time it's not a card. Okay, that time what you can do, if you want to give the color, create box with CSS, use it. Okay, in lightning card, color CSS is not, you can say, color CSS doesn't work for lightning card. Okay, now what I'm doing here, if you want to give the color, you can create border to pixel solid color. Let me give height and width. Okay, so I'm getting solid black color box. Let me give height 400 pixel. Okay, solid black color I'm getting. Okay, inside it you can fill the color. So you don't need to create the card. Create one box. Okay, box. How can you create? Give the border. Okay, I have given the border 5 pixel solid black. Height, width you can give. Then color, whatever the color you want to give to the box, you can give. Okay, pink color is coming. So you don't need to write. You don't need to create the lightning card. ठीक है? Okay, so
सर
it's
इसमें
a
स्टाइल
हाँ,
एट्रीब्यूट नहीं होता क्या, कि जैसे अगर हम क्लास यूज ना करना चाहे स्टाइल एट्रीब्यूट में ही देते बैकग्राउंड कलर?
होते हैं मैम. Okay, what we have, I'm teaching like a means some participants will be a trainer in future. So participants will ask, ma'am, sir, in bundle there is style. What is it? There is helper. What is it? Okay, if I'll teach you 5 scenario, maybe you will learn 3 scenario, 4 scenario. They will teach. Okay, that's why I'm teaching how we will create the style sheet, these things, because participants can able to teach to the participants. Okay, CSS, we can give the CSS. Simple, go to the component, create div and give the CSS. Okay, so we have some, you can say code like paragraph, header, which we can also use. Okay, so outside the div, I'm going to use paragraph tag. Okay, I am inside a paragraph. I am inside the paragraph. So now what we have to do, we have to give the color to the paragraph. There is one paragraph. I want to give the style to the paragraph. Okay, so paragraph you can call simple. Go to the style, write only p dot this, p dot this. Okay, if paragraph is parent, there is no, it's not under any HTML tag. So simple write p dot this. Then whatever color you want to give, you can give. Color red. Check the code. I am inside a paragraph. It's coming in red color. If you want to do bold, so add this tag. Okay, add this property. Now I'll get, you can, the size of the tags will change. Okay, now I'm doing some changes. It's our component. Inside the div, it's the parent div. Okay, we have two div. One is parent div. Okay, both are parent div. It's the parent div. Let's suppose in parent div, inside the parent div, it's the complete div. Inside the parent div, I have created one paragraph tag. Okay, it's a paragraph tag inside the div. Now I have to give the style to this paragraph tag. Okay, so by default, which style will come? Div style will come. If I'll preview it, if I'll preview it, I'll get the style of the div. It's paragraph inside the div. What I want, I don't want style of div. I want different style. I want to give different style. So how we give the style to the paragraph? P dot this. ठीक है, क्या हमें सेम कोड लिखना है? पैराग्राफ को हम स्टाइल कैसे देते हैं? पी डॉट दिस। क्या सेम कोड लिखूंगा तो कोड एग्जीक्यूट होएगा? कोड एग्जीक्यूट किया मैंने सेम। व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग? ठीक है, आई एम गेटिंग द div स्टाइल. व्हाट आई वांट टू गिव डिफरेंट स्टाइल. ओके, इफ paragraph tag are inside the, okay, one paragraph tag inside any, it's inside the div, yeah, it's the child tag. So what you have to use, you have to write the p after this. You have to write p after this. Now save it and check the output. Okay, it's a paragraph inside the div. So I'm getting different style for p tag. Okay, and this p tag is, it's the child tag of div. ठीक है, बाय डिफॉल्ट पेरेंट की स्टाइल वर्क करेगी, मैं कह रहा हूँ डिफरेंट. सो इफ यू वांट डिफरेंट स्टाइल, सो राइट डॉट दिस, देन p, whatever the style you want to give. If there is any h1, okay, there is any heading tag, so what you can do, it's heading inside the div. चेक कर लेते हैं कि इसको किसकी स्टाइल मिलेगी, div की स्टाइल आएगी या पैराग्राफ की. इट्स हेडिंग इनसाइड द div, so by default it is also getting the style of div. I want different, I want unique style. So go to the css, same code you can write. Child के लिए बाद में लिखना है आपको paragraph name, heading name. Else what you can do, create the class. It is heading inside the div. ठीक है, if it is a parent, so write p dot this. If it is a child, dot this. Okay, then p h1. Like that you have to give, use the css. ठीक है, so do you have any doubt how can we use the css? Simple, create the div, class is equal to style name, then go to the css dot style dot this, then give the css, write the property of the css. Okay, is it okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good.